Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Coe, Oviedo Chiropractic. We've been in this office here in Oviedo since 2014. I graduated college at Palmer College of Chiropractic in Port Orange. I have an education background. My first career was teaching middle school, high school, and I also was an athletic coach. And so with our athletes and current injuries, we wanted to find some really good reasons to fix and to help the athletes. And so I decided to go back into chiropractic college. The education portion has never left me, so we love educating patients on what's hurting, why it's hurting, and how we can fix it.